Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently crashing onto the shore, not by the ocean, but at the heart of Africa. Welcome to Lake Malawi, one of the world's most remarkable lakes. At 580 kilometers long and stretching 75 kilometers at its widest, it's the third largest lake in Africa by area. But there's more beneath the surface. Today, we dive deep into this magnificent natural wonder, uncovering its mysteries and revealing why it has earned the title of Africa's hidden gem. Lake Malawi, also known as Lake Nyasa in Tanzania and Lago Nyasa in Mozambique, is a gigantic water body that lies within the Great Rift Valley. With a surface area of over 29,600 square kilometers, it ranks third in Africa and ninth in the world for size. It holds an astounding 8,400 cubic kilometers of water, making it the fifth largest freshwater lake in the world by volume. But size is not the only story. At an incredible depth of 706 meters, it's the second deepest lake in Africa, plunging to the depths that make it a sanctuary for life, one of the most biodiverse lakes on the planet. Like a sleeping giant, Lake Malawi quietly supports the lives of millions of people and thousands of species. For many years, its beauty and significance have gone underappreciated, but that's changing. Today, we embark on a journey to explore this lake's breathtaking beauty, rich biodiversity, and the communities that call its shores home. At first glance, it's the water that takes your breath away. Lake Malawi's shimmering turquoise expanse is so clear you can see straight to the bottom in many areas. The locals call it the Lake of Stars because at night, the fishermen's lanterns glisten on the water as though the sky has descended to the earth. Stretching over 580 kilometers from north to south and with a shoreline shared by Malawi, Tanzania, and Mozambique, Lake Malawi is a vital resource for all three nations. It ranks as the third largest lake in Africa by surface area, and its sheer size has earned it recognition as the ninth largest lake in the world. But the real magic of Lake Malawi isn't just its size or depth. It's the feeling of peace that washes over you when you stand by its shore, gazing out at the endless horizon. For the communities here, the lake is a lifeline, a source of food, water, and even spiritual connection. It's more than just a lake, it's a way of life. Beneath the calm, serene surface of Lake Malawi lies a world teeming with life. It's home to over 1,000 species of fish, making it the lake with the most fish species in the world. The stars of the show are the cichlids, vibrant, colorful fish found almost exclusively here. Some are neon blue, others golden yellow or jet black, each more mesmerizing than the last. In fact, about 700 of these species are endemic to Lake Malawi, meaning you won't find them anywhere else on Earth. This remarkable diversity makes the lake a biological treasure trove and an invaluable resource for scientists studying evolution and ecology. For centuries, the people who live around the lake have relied on these fish, not only as a staple of their diet but as part of their culture. The fishing communities here follow age-old traditions, passing down techniques from generation to generation. Whether it's the simple net cast at dawn or the more elaborate trap systems, the relationship between humans and the lake has remained strong. Now, catching these fish isn't as easy as it looks. Trust me, I've seen the struggle. These little guys are fast and they're not going to make dinner without putting up a fight. But that's part of the charm. You've got to earn your meal at Lake Malawi. As with all Great Lakes, it's the rivers that breathe life into Lake Malawi. The lake is fed by several rivers, including the Rukuru, Songwe, and Dwangwa rivers, which carry nutrients into the lake and create a rich ecosystem. But perhaps most importantly, the lake's waters flow out through the Shire River, the only outflow, which winds its way south and joins the Zambezi River in Mozambique. The Shire River isn't just a waterway, it's an artery that powers the region's hydroelectric plants, providing essential energy for Malawi and beyond. Lake Malawi is not just about nature. It's a hub of human life, too, with towns and cities dotting its shoreline. In the south lies Mangochi, often referred to as the gateway to Lake Malawi. It's here that cultures meet, blending the influences of Malawi, Mozambique, and Tanzania. To the north is Nkata Bay, a lively town known for its vibrant markets, backpacker lodges, and stunning beaches. Many travelers who visit Nkata Bay find it hard to leave, drawn in by the town's relaxed vibe and the friendliness of its people. Now, you'd think that with all the beautiful fish, fresh food, and serene views, the locals would be spoiled for choice when it comes to cuisine. And you'd be right. Just one bite of freshly grilled chambo, a local fish with nsima, Malawi's staple maize dish, and you'll be hooked. Pun intended. Or during hard times when bonya is the order of the day. Tourism is steadily growing around Lake Malawi, with its pristine beaches and world-class resorts attracting visitors from around the globe. Some of the most stunning resorts include Kaya Mawa on Likoma Island, an oasis of luxury where the only sound you'll hear is the soft lapping of waves. There's also Pumalani Lodge, known for its eco-friendly design and breathtaking views of the lake. Whether you're seeking adventure with water sports, hiking, or simply want to relax by the shore, Lake Malawi has it all. But even a paradise like Lake Malawi faces challenges. Environmental issues such as overfishing, climate change, and pollution pose real threats. Fortunately, conservation efforts are underway, with ecotourism and community-based projects working hard to protect the lake for future generations. It's vital that we preserve this incredible natural wonder not just for its beauty, but for the millions of people who depend on it daily for food, energy, and livelihood. Lake Malawi is more than just a lake. It's a sanctuary, a source of life, and a reminder of Africa's incredible natural beauty. Whether you come for the adventure, the serenity, or the vibrant culture, you leave with memories that last a lifetime. So what was your favorite fact about Lake Malawi? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden gems of Africa. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more adventures across the African continent. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.